Today I've come with a very easy and delicious recipe using potato and dill leaves. You can serve this with rice or roti alongside with a dal or any vegetable curry or meat or fish. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Dill is something that I always find at our grocery store. And apart from using it in pickles or using as a herb, did you know that it can take the place of any leafy greens in a recipe? I wash it thoroughly before chopping them, discard the thick stem ends, and chop the leaves roughly. Now research shows that dill is a good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and iron. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and some studies show it can even reduce LDL cholesterol levels. I really love the aromatic flavor it imparts to any dish. My family loves having this, and I make this literally every week. Sometimes when I don't feel like spending much time in the kitchen, I just make a dal and this recipe and serve it with rice and a salad. Next, coming to Mr. Potato. Today I am using these red potatoes, but you can use any potatoes of your choice. One of my viewers asked me once that why do I never use potatoes with their skin on. The only time I use potatoes with skin on is when I make these kind of stir-fry recipes, because the crunchy skin stands out in such recipes. Somehow I do not like using unpeeled potatoes in my curries. I just don't like it. If you don't mind the skin, then you can happily leave them unpeeled when you make curries. It's your kitchen, my friends. So you do what you like. I'm here just to give you ideas. Heat about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil over medium to high heat. Once the oil turns hot, lower the heat to low and then comes the whole spices. Half a teaspoon of black mustard seeds, and the crackling of seeds is an indication that your oil is satisfactorily hot. And then half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then Mr. Potato dives into the pan. Make a little space and add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder or any chili powder of your choice. Stir the potatoes on medium heat till every piece of potato gets well coated with the turmeric. Next add sliced onions and chopped garlic. Stir on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Then lower the heat to low and cover on for about 2 to 3 minutes. From time to time, give a stir and again cover on low heat. I added 2 whole chilies, which is totally optional. Cover again till the potatoes turn tender. Okay, my potatoes have turned tender. At this point, add salt. I increased the heat to medium-high and then added the dill leaves. And look at that beauty. Stir on medium to high heat for a few minutes and do not cover the pan after adding the dill. I like the dill to be a bit fried. You can serve them green like this and stop the cooking process soon after adding it. And I am all done. How easy can that be? The potatoes turn crispy and they get mildly perfumed by those aromatic dill. It is really very delicious. At the same time, it is so quick to make. You can serve this with rice or roti, and it tastes good even at room temperature. So please try this recipe and send me your feedback. Bye bye.